Disclaimer: this channel is dedicated to ethical hacking and cybersecurity education. We do not promote or encourage illegal activities. All content is intended solely for educational purposes and responsible use.
Welcome back to Fast Aid IT, where we simplify complex cybersecurity topics to keep you informed and protected. Today, we're diving into two common yet dangerous vulnerabilities, XSS and SQL. That's cross-site scripting and SQL injection for the uninitiated.
There is a login option and a sign-up option. I decided to create an account to see what I can do, and after doing so, I logged in as a normal user. Perhaps we can use it to your advantage by injecting? My first though is perhaps to try out some kind of XSS, since I can fill out the form. After submitting the query, it worked. Notice that this kind of XSS is stored XSS.
Why? Since everything we come back to the page we can see this message again, and in more professional terms, the code is embedded in the backend of the server, and every time the user comes back the server pulls the code of the website, which now also have our malicious code, and renders it to the user. Now we can try doing something more useful for use, perhaps gaining a reverse shell on the target or getting cookies.
I opened Python HTTP server to receive the cookie. Then, I submitted the payload.
Click Report. After pressing the report to admins, it means they have been on the site, meaning there must be a cookie while being on the session, so let's try do it one again. Click on the exploit as before, which result the cookie be sent to our machine. We can now see two encoding tokens which make sense, one of our user tokens, and the other one is the admin's token. Now we can take that token, put it in the cookies, and get admin access. Refresh the page and we should be logged in as the admin. There is a SQL vulnerability. In the messages table we can see that a message has been sent to user 3, Jake, informing him that his SSH password is too weak and a new temporary password has been created. We can use the password to SSH into the system as user Jake.